So before we go any further, what I want to do is I want you to just stop for a second, and I want to actually acknowledge you for coming this far. Yeah, I want you to stop and acknowledge that within yourself also, right? What it took for you to book a call and get this far through the system already, really, you had to dig deep for that. I know for myself, when I first knew stuff needed to change, I knew I really wanted to change. I didn't know how, but I didn't have the humility to actually stop and ask someone for help. Like, I'd be following people for ages, years, and know that they had stuff that I wanted, but not be willing to actually reach out and ask for it. So I want you to stop and acknowledge it within yourself that you've just done that, and that is a massive step, and that is amazing, right? That is one of the first steps to actually having what you want. Secondly, I want to give you something, right? For that, I want to say, you know what? You're an absolute legend. You're one of us. For you to have the courage to do that and step up and go, you know what, I'm actually willing to take some action, that makes you one of us. And that means that you now qualify to actually join us in our private Inner Work Tribe, right? It's our private Facebook group where you can come, I'm now inviting you to come be a part of it. Some of the magic that happens in there, guys, honestly is like literally incredible. You'll see it on a weekly and daily basis. This is where we're going to create an environment for you to, I guess, water the seeds in you to become that person that you want to be. Okay, this isn't a sell, you don't have to pay anything, there's no joining fee, there's nothing like that. Just come and be part of it. If you have other people in your life that you know are like us, I welcome you to invite them too. But for now, you're invited, okay? What I want you to do is click below here, join the group now, put the notifications on, make it part of your daily rituals to jump in the group and see what's going on, interact, ask questions, be of service. Our environment, there are so many studies, these guys, which determine which prove that our environment plays such a big role in the outcomes in our life, in our motivation or our desire for change, in our mindset, in the ways in which we feel. Like, we know from a physical sense, like, it's really obvious. If I feed myself crap food, I'm gonna feel crap. I'm also gonna look in a size and a shape that probably isn't ideal for me, yeah? Mental and emotional is exactly the same. The environment is so critical and many of us miss it. So this group is somewhere where you're going to get your environment right, where you're going to start to, without even really notice it, subconsciously start to make changes in your life. So we'll see you in there shortly, guys. Click below now and join.